program that appears legitimate may conceal a Trojan horse, one of the most widespread types of malware exploited by cybercriminals. It can disguise itself as a useful application, an image, a video, an apparently important file, or a link that seems legitimate. Once opened, it installs itself discreetly and runs in the background without the user's knowledge. After being activated, a Trojan can collect personal and financial data, intercept the victim's online activity, download additional malicious software, contribute to financial losses, and in some cases, completely compromise the device. To reduce the risk of infection, we recommend downloading applications only from official sources and regularly updating both the operating system and antivirus software. In addition, avoid opening attachments or accessing links received from unknown senders, and always verify the authenticity of a program before installing it. For this purpose, consult the platforms made available by relevant institutions, such as pnrisc.dnsc.ro. Install protective browser extensions and report any cyber attack attempts so that domains posing cybersecurity risks can be added to blacklists. Caution in the online environment remains one of the most effective methods of prevention and protection against cyber attacks. This initiative is based on one of the guides developed under the ADA, Analyze, Decide, Act educational program carried out in partnership with the National CyberInt Center, part of the Romanian Intelligence Service, the National Directorate for Cybersecurity, the Romanian Police, and the Romanian Cloud Security Association, Cloud Security Alliance Romanian Chapter.